If you're encountering the cloud save error 2025 while trying to install PUBG, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page to ensure that the servers are up and running. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. and navigate to the library. Right-click on PUBG, select Properties, then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. This can often fix bugs and errors. Step 4. Check cloud save settings. Go to the settings of your game launcher and ensure that cloud saving is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it and restart your game to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can help resolve any persistent issues with the installation or cloud save functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.